Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube icon and banner without using any photo editing software like Photoshop. So this is very easy, and if you don't know how to use any photo editing software, then no problem. You can use this web tool which is free. Not totally free, but there are many templates which are totally free. So you can use this web tool to design your YouTube banner or YouTube icon. Okay. So for this you have to go to canva.com. Here you can see canva.com. So after going here, you can see here a search bar. So just write here YouTube and it will show you multiple suggestions. So if you want to make a YouTube banner, okay, so go to this one, YouTube channel art. Okay. So by pressing here, you can see there are many templates showing on the left side, and so you can select any template from here. Okay, so let's here you can see it is showing free, so I am gonna select this. Okay, so here you can see this is the template. So here you can write anything. For example, I'm writing my channel name. Okay, like this, trick and treat. So here you can see, and I can also remove this icon if I don't want it. Okay, so here you can see I have created a banner and it is very simple to use, and you can customize it any way you want. Okay, for example, if I want to change the text color of this trick, then I will go here and select this button. Okay, text color. So you can change any color. Okay, like this. So I have selected orange. So here you can see it is changed to orange. So you can customize it the way you want. For example, if you want to change the font size, you can do right from here, and you can do it underline. Okay, so it just look amazing. Okay, so you can do many more things right from here. Okay, so now I will show you how to download it. Here is the download button. So I will download it in JPG format because the file size is small, and YouTube do not upload above 6 MB. So I will suggest you to download it in JPG format, and when I download this file, then it will prepare your design. And now I will show you how to upload this file to your YouTube channel. So for this you have to go to your YouTube studio, and there you will go to customization. Okay, so here you can change your profile picture or banner image. So let's change the banner image. Okay, the problem with other photo editing software is that you have to make the resolution of your banner according to their policies. Okay, for example, they are asking you to upload in this pixel 2048 into 1152, so they will not accept any resolution. So you have to make certain resolutions for it to be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so some people faces these issues and some people face another issue. Okay, I'm going to show you which many people face issues. Okay, so let's go here, and I am going to upload another file. Okay, like this one here. Here you can see that it is not perfectly viewable on all devices. Okay, so here you can see on desktop it will show like this, so it is not showing the whole trick and treat and the logo thing. Okay, so it is not perfect, and for TV it is perfect, but on mobile device and on desktop it is not showing perfectly. Okay, so many people face these issues also. Okay, so advantage of using this web tool is that it will make your banner looks perfect. Now let's upload it, change, and when I upload this file, here you can see it is showing perfectly on any device. Okay, It is perfectly showing on desktop, it's perfectly showing on mobile device, on TV. So this is just perfect. So I think this is one of the best web tool you can use to make your YouTube banner. Okay. So similarly, if you want to design the icon of your YouTube channel, you can also do it right from here. Okay. So let's go to home, and here again type YouTube, and you will see here an option of YouTube icon. So just go here, and you will see here multiple templates which you can get for free. So you can select anyone from here. So let's select this one. Okay. So you can type any text you want. Okay. Like I'm going to type my channel name. So here, trick and treat. Okay. So I will shift and middle. So there is this looking perfect, and I can change the text in the same way I did already. So here you can see color of the text also change. Okay. So you can do anything, like if you do not want this color, you can just delete it. Okay. So you can make any customization to this icon. So here again you can directly save it from here, and I would suggest you to download in jpg format, and by pressing download, it will prepare your design, and after preparing your design, it will download your file, and you can easily upload this file to your YouTube channel. Okay. So you can change, and by pressing this, you can see it will show like this. The circle is showing, it will show just like this. Okay. So this is just perfect. So guys, this is all for now, and if you like my videos, please like and comment on my videos, also share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified for my future videos, please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.